Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Take It. In this video we'll talk about the Realme C21. Now today I'll be your host Farhan. Now before going in details, let's roll the intro. At first, let's talk about the phone's build quality. It's made out of solid plastic, the phone's weight is 190 grams, the weight distribution of the phone feels satisfying in the hand, it has thickness of 8.9mm, still it doesn't feel bulky. Now let's talk about the display. It has a 6.5-inch 720p IPS LCD display, PPI density 270. We could not find any info about the protection on it. The display sharpness is okay comparing the price. It does struggle in direct daylight visibility. The content watching experience is good as a 720p panel. The color reproduction is okay. It does not lag in day-to-day uses. The fingerprint has a decent positioning. It is not hard to reach. As you can see in the video, unlock speed is quite fast. The Realme C21 comes with a triple camera setup, one 13MP main shooter, aperture 2.2, 2MP depth and 2MP macro shooter, both aperture 2.4 here. Here are some image samples. It also has a 5MP front shooter, aperture 2.2. Here are some camera samples for your consideration. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G35, which is a 12nm chipset. There are two storage variants, one 32GB and 64GB. Both are eMMC 5.1, and RAM variant there are 3 and 4GB only. We did not find any lag or stutterings in day-to-day uses like social media browsing or any content watching on YouTube. It is not for heavy gaming, but you can simply play some light games if you want to.